In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to host a website on GitHub using GitHub Pages. First, go to the GitHub website and sign into your account. Next, create a new repository by clicking the New Repository button. Enter a name for your repository and click Create Repository to confirm. Now, upload your website files to this repository. Your website should include at least one file called index.html, which will be the main page. After uploading the files, go to the Settings tab of your repository. Scroll down until you find the Pages or GitHub Pages section. Under Source, select the main branch and the root folder. Then click Save to enable website hosting. GitHub will generate a public link where your website will be available online. The link usually follows this format: username.github.io/repository-name. It may take a few seconds for the website to become available. After that, anyone can access your website using the generated link. This method is very useful for hosting simple websites built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that's it. Now you know how to host a website on GitHub easily and for free. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.